You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How do you say the name of this famous French pastry chef and chocolatier? For more names of famous French chefs, stay tuned, in French cuisine terms as well. Stay tuned for all of this. Loads to learn here. Pierre is how you say the first name. Pierre meaning Peter. That's also a French word for a stone. Pierre Hermé. Hermé is how we say it in French. So the H is silent, so do not pronounce it, do not pronounce it, do not worry about it. Hermé. Now the last syllable is a short E sound, not A. I mean, in English, if you cannot pronounce French very well, you can always say it as Pierre Hermé. Pierre Hermé, that'd be fine. But otherwise, in French, Pierre Hermé. Pierre Hermé. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.